Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a really special unboxing, and the reason it's special is because I've never opened this once. The plastic seal is still on it and I'm really excited to show you guys. The game I'm covering is Fire Emblem, Shadow Dragon and the Blade of Light. It's the 30th year anniversary edition, and as of March 31st, 2021, you can't purchase this game on the eShop anymore. I found this physically, luckily. But yeah, I'm excited to show you. So here I just wanted to show off it is unopened, and I wanted to display the box because honestly I love collector's boxes. Some of the boxes are really cool and it shows you what all comes in there. Tons of cool stuff. I'm a sucker for collectibles. But let's open this up. Now that I've opened that up and showed off what is in there, let's take a closer look at the items. First up, we got the art book. I'm really excited for this. It looked really cool. Next up, we got a Nintendo Power replica poster. Love the classic look, and it's a basic imitation of what the Nintendo Power magazine would look like. And finally, we have the box that holds the game itself. Now I wanted to show you guys the art book. Like I said, it's fresh, so I'm going to go ahead and cut into this and show you guys the artwork that was so lovingly handcrafted. And it also really shows progression within the Fire Emblem series art style direction. Let's go ahead and take a look. I really enjoy the classic anime type style that they're encompassing here, and as the series has progressed, it has just gotten more detailed but also quite illustrious. Next up, we're gonna look at the Nintendo Power poster magazine replica. It's cool because it shows you like little tidbits and whatnot from the magazine that would help you in the game, basically give you tips on what to do. Finally, we're gonna look at the piece de resistance with the actual game itself. There is no cartridge, it is just a code. I really loved how they did this classic faithful replica of the box for the NES system. Here's the game manual it comes with. Here's a map of the continent of Archinea. Here's next up is a still frame of it, just in case anyone wants to pause it and take a look. It's a big map, so I'm going to be playing this game for a long time, I bet. And finally, what I really wanted from this collector's edition is this glass Nintendo Entertainment System cartridge replica, mainly just because it looks so good. When I pulled it out for the first time, I said, this is incredibly sparkly. Like, look at how that shines. I want to see the sun come through that. Here's the manual. I really enjoyed the way it was created. I mean, I don't know what the original manual was like, but I miss game manuals, and it felt really good to hold that and look through it. But anyways, let me know what you guys like the most of this set. Personally, for me, it was the art book and the glass cartridge, but there is a lot of cool items to go along here. So let me know in the comments down below, and I really appreciate anybody who checked out this video. Thank you. Have a good one.